magpa-relax yung tanan, magpamasa.
Guys, achieve kaya akong hair. Commercial. Yeah, actually, I really like the place. I really like the culture. Don't you feel? Hi guys, so I'm here right now at the J Center Mall, and I'm here with a very beautiful lady from Israel. What's your name?
Oria.
Oria. Oria.
Yeah.
Wow, she's so pretty, guys. And I tried their, what's that? The salt.
That's the salt scrubber. It takes all your dead cells from the skin, all your dead skin. And then after that, we use
The butter.
the body butter.
Body butter. It's from the brand from Kedma, guys, and it's super nice. I love it. I tried it on my hands, and
Only
then
minerals, no
super
chemicals.
dirty.
SPF from the sun. Really good, really helpful.
Are you already here in the Philippines? Like,
I'm here for 1 week. So
you're introducing the brand first time?
no, the
here?
brand already existed. I came to work here.
Oh wow!
Yeah. All the way from Israel.
Honestly, this is the first time that I heard about Kedma.
Really? I know that it's here in the mall for 2 years now, so and it has also in different malls here. I know this brand it's been in SMC side and in Robinson also. After you put the cleaner, you clean it with water. After that, we clean it with the skin comb.
Nagpaabot ko sa akong mga kauban kay mga tumiog event. It's a spa event at
It's also take the dead cells, the blackheads,
just like a scrub.
pimples. Yeah, it's like a scrub. You put it on the skin.
guys, I'm still waiting for Nash.
You see, everything's coming off. It's supposed to go for your face.
So far,
Yeah, actually, I really like the place. I really like the culture.
don't you feel where exactly is your location? Especially at SM, you mentioned SMC side, you have...
Yeah, it's also like that, like a booth.
That's so pretty, guys. Super.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for accommodating me. Guys, nakita namin ni Kobe! Fresh kayo! Kaya ako nagtabibe na. Ang akin.
Guys, makuanta sa The Forest Spa, invite me sa ni Miss Jen. Naa siya new kanang place.
Magpa-spa
Na dito ang spa na ay kuan para haircut and also magpa-nail polish
Ako saan
or kanang kuan nail extension na asa
Ay,
siya
di ko,
guys.
ano.
So,
Mga tugin
want to be today and
Oh, we're heading sa spa! Oh my God, si Nash, ang babae nga, guwapa. Sa The Forest Spa, Top Beauty Salon. And hopefully, I don't know what we're going to do. Basta salon, so mahibawan na gina nag-abutin to eh.
So salon, cafe, bakery, spa.
Nagsalita
So, hi everyone! Kay Sunday man sa magpa-relax yung tanan, magpa-massage, ang uban diha magpa-hair color, magpa-nails, and kung saan na siya, foot spa.
Pantay ka.
Pero ako kay, wala laling ko dra.
Sure. Ako lang, ouch! Baka naglisod?
okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon! So hi guys, I'm with Miss Jen already, the owner of
The Top
inyong
Beauty Salon.
Okay. And then can you share and invite our viewers?
Guys, please visit our third branch, but we are already extended here in Cebu City because our old branch are already in Lapu-Lapu. Our first branch is second floor of Marina Mall, and then the second one is third floor of Island Central.
Okay, no? Dito. Amazing guys. Taga Lapu-Lapu ba yan ako? Oh my God. So, what's naman siyang concept? Ano yung
Our concept is sa first branch na mo, we only have only the nails.
Nails lang. So
This
here.
one.
Oh, mara
The gel. Yeah.
Okay.
And then the second branch only we have a spa. Diri is among
All in
isa.
one.
Yeah. all in
Okay.
one.
So that's
One
a great
stop,
idea.
I mean.
Okay.
We'll do also a hair, nails, and then facial. Yeah, all the treatment.
Okay, I'm going to place all the links in the description box, guys, so that you will be able to check their contact numbers, information. Do you have upcoming promos, po?
We're still in our opening promo. We have until May.
May.
We're-
So what was the promos that you have?
we offer like the lowest price because we're introducing our new products from Korea. We only use the Korean
Products. Wow.
Most especially
안녕하세요.
on facial.
안녕하세요. Okay, let's start. I had a chance to interview her, so I'm super happy to meet you. Pati kay kung nang magpapag yung kagwapa na tayo. Hello, Miss Steffi. Can you share what are the things that you really love about this salon? Why are you keep coming back and back?
Well, I love the Top Spa because of their products, the quality, the services, and you can really enjoy. They have the good stuff also, and the product really rejuvenates your skin, gives you a flawless results. I'm from Lapu-Lapu. Actually, they have branches there, one branch there in Lapu-Lapu, but since they have a free services like to send you home, pick up. So, padala ka nila, paon ka sa balay, then free reset ang paulit. So,
Amazing.
yeah.
Wow, so now did I hatid sundo na
Hatid sundo.
portion. Oh my god. And how was the price range? Do you think that it is affordable or middle range or high end?
It's affordable because if you can compare it to the other siguro clinic, affordable siya. Kaano ka kay it's original because all the products are authentic from Korea.
Ano siya ang akong before? Before na akong hair. Guys, butang ko robe. Oh my god.
Okay.
Beauty freedom. Ay, kinahanglan gid na siya yung nakabutang, guys.
Oh, ma'am, by para cover sa kuan.
Hala, oy, oh my god, gihimo na ko. Uy, mura na
Mura
ko.
na princess,
Guys, na ko isang visor. Guys, wala kay ko nagpalpitate. Usually, if koloran ko mo nang mag-DIY ko per me kay magpalpitate ko niya, bahuan ko. But then, right now, ingon sila organic ni mo nang utana ko nga, why is it na mura rag wala? So, dili siya isog nga, sakto lang. Nya wala sa ko nagpalpitate. Nya nangapi pa jud ko ha. Amazing. Visit guys Top Beauty Salon and their Facebook page is Top Beauty Salon 2018 and still they're working on their Instagram page and I'm going to place the link on the description box. Just check it out. Okay? So guys, i-leave down for 15 minutes and it will be okay. Lo, tanawa, ni puti ng hair ni Nugs. Nash. 10 minutes lang ni past, guys. So, nag-unsa na day ka ni gani, miss? Ang
Inside na ko, ma'am.
so wala pa day itong inside?
Wala pa.
Amazing. Oh, ba? So, lahi-lahi ra gid no.
Uy, dali man mo color ang buwan, ma'am. Inside ko, okay mo iuna.
Oh my God.
Guys, arrange mo pagwapa diri.
Ano nang nag-ina ng imong hair?
Bleach.
Okay. So, karon guys, mag-shampoo na mi. Excited na ko. Oh, laban lagi tani no. Wow. Excited na ko makakita sa ano guys. And we're going to see it in 1, 2, and 3. Yeah.
Nice skin color.
Nice candy. Interesting person. Yes. Wala ra. Guys, achieve kaya akong hair. Always. Nice kaya sa hair.
Dalagang Pilipina, isang dalagang Pilipina.
Sa Luningning. While waiting sa ilang Annyeonghaseyo. Korean guys. Annyeonghaseyo. So I'm here right now guys because I'm still waiting. I'm going to avail their manicure. So I'm a little bit hungry. Ningari mi sa ilang bakery. If gutomon mo, gikan mo nga to sa ilang salon, pwede dyan mo makangari sa ubos guys. Kinaragi sila yung bakery. Hi!
the sentence, just take a rest. So that means in the shop, just take a rest with bread and with coffee.
Musa kami. Naa sila yung second floor where you can chill. Nice kay cozy kayo. Yeah, I'm with Kobe again. Kami lagi magsige kuyog. Ano no?
Vlog.
Nga namin ni Kobe, guys.
Hi guys, so ni-order me all gusto yung name natin.
Ang sa to? Farinor. Farinor.
And ako is fruit cream cake.
Oo, abin ako.
Sama
So,
siya
ayan.
i-try.
Amo ni siyang i-try. Oh my God. Ay, napaday plastic. Uy, so, good. Uy.
Fruit cream cake.
Wow, creamy. Commercial.
Lami siya.
Lami. Speechless.
Lagi.
Dilawigin ka.
Guys, okay.
Lami.
So, try na to Okay siya guys, chocolatey, niya, smooth.
Yeah,
Lami siya.
creamy.
This caramel macchiato coffee is our handmade caramel syrup. So, and also other chocolate syrup and sugar syrup is our handmade.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So guys, we're going to try.
Wow, super thankful guys. Kitagan mi nilang freebies na caramel macchiato.
This brand.
And, yes,
So,
super.
The one nga naghimo ani is ang koan husband sa owner sa coma
15
nga.
years, right?
Nag-work siya sa usa ka bake shop ba to?
hotel,
Or restaurant or hotel,
chef.
oo, sa Korea, and pure Korean din siya guys. So ato ni i-try.
Wow. Yeah guys, mga nasad mi mga model. Lami siya.
Guys, lami ko ilang mga foods, promise. Nag-range ilang mga price ilang food is, nasa yung bread nga, 70 pesos. Kaning cake nga magikaon is 180 o 170. So, very affordable dyan siya. And, dili dyan ninyo feel nga nasayang inyong kwarta, it's because lami kayo siya.
Okay, tanawa ko. So much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
So good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have
Kasi
a
Kobe
time
good.
check?
6:15. Okay. So guys, magpa-nails ni. Muna akong before nga nails. We're going to have the gel manicure and foot spa. Feeling like a queen. Mag-foot spa ko. Thank you ate for the foot spa. Hello. Feeling like a queen kay Karon guys. Guys, muna na yung akong nails. Do you like it? Wow. This is my nails, guys. Oh, na. Yeah, unsa naman ni? Nice. Guys, muna din ako malabad. Guys, nag-foot pa ako. Super love my nails, guys. Nice kaya akong nails. Nice kayo.
Hey.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jen. I super love my hair color and my nails. Super nice. Cute guys.
Welcome! Thank you
Hello,
also.
baby Dana.
Say hi to the camera.
Say hi, baby. Si Shaq, babay-babay ganina.
Hi guys! If you wanted to have a nice services with your hair and with your skin for the facial and the glutathione, you can visit anytime here at the Top Spa. It is Fortuna.
We will give you a very special discount.
Guys, so thank you so much for watching. So we're done na. I super love all the services, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now. Sarang he. Ay, subscribe to
Hi! Subscribe to my channel.
subscribe to Kobe.
Kobe Mahine Vlogs.
Yes. And Nags.
Nags Ventures, it's me, Nags.
Okay.